Craig Joy with FBD, your guide to frozen beverage innovation across Europe and the Middle East. Join me as we explore trends, insights, and the latest industry breakthroughs. Freeze the moment, shape what's next. So today we're here in Helsinki doing an install of FBD 372. And so I wanted to kind of talk to you about what's needed, what's required for an install, and we'll take a real quick peek in kind of finished product that we did today. So one of the key elements that you'll need is the install kit. That'll include syrup pumps, the required tubings, regulators, and most of our distributor partners and distributor parts partners across the world have those install kits already kind of pre-made. So it'll be an easy transition for you, or easy to do. One of the other elements that's really important is certified FBD installer. Most of our distributor partners not only have their partners, but they also have service themselves. And so they'll be able to do that for you and provide you that service. So there's three critical elements that you'll need for a frozen program and install. One of them is the CO2. The CO2 bottles, get that through most of your gas suppliers if you have a previous beverage program. And again, the distributors can help you with that. The next piece is your water supply. And then the last piece, and the most important, is the syrup itself. And there's several suppliers across most of the markets in Europe, Middle East, and Asia. Most of your major bottling brands, you can get it. But there's also a lot of private brands that you can work it with as well. This location at our Helsinki, part of the Raitan group, convenience group, is located at the train station. One of the comments that were made during the install from the Helsinki group is that it was a fairly small space that was utilized for the product itself. It kind of looks funny by itself inside the store. The great things about having these high traffic areas for having a frozen program is people come into the store. Of course, the weather today is really nice in Helsinki, and you have lots of people out on a Friday, going places, going to see things, headed back home, looking for a treat, looking for something that's a little different from an experience standpoint. And so it could be a great opportunity for you to have that product in your store. We're going to walk through the main train station just to take a look at some of the kiosks, some of the places where frozen could be or should be, and then see what the frozen offers and beverage offers are in the central train station.